Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a dolly zoom effect to your videos in CapCut. So to create the zoom effect, you just need to add two keyframes at the start and also the end of the clips, and to create a zoom out or zoom in, you just need to add two keyframes, and at the start you need to zoom in, and then at the end zoom out to create a zoom out effect like this. So you can just add a zoom out effect like this, and for the zoom in just do it vice versa. So you need to add two keyframes still, but then zoom in on the last keyframe. So this is for the zoom in, the dolly zoom in effect, like so. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.